Assalamualaikum. Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What day is it today?
Cheers.
Today is Thursday. And what day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. And what day was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. Have you had breakfast? Yes. What did you eat for breakfast? Nasi uduk. Fried rice. Bread. Bila Hamza? Bread. Okay. Alright, now before we start, let's pray together. KM, leader. Hamza, please come to the front. Oh yeah, Bila. Before we study, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish. Read to the teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam. Thank you, Bila. Alright. Yeah, now I call you, right? May I follow? Okay. What date is it today? What date is it? 5th September. Oh yeah, 5th September. Okay. Alright, now Abdullah Mubarak, present. Akbar Ali Rinaldi. Where is Akbar? Absent. Good. Arman, present. Dafa. Oh, Dafa. Okay. Fadlan, present. Fauzi. Ilham Zain Al-Biruni. Okay. Muhammad Akram Iqbal. Okay. Muhammad Azam Zuhdi. Okay. Muhammad Bilal Indra Gozi. Present. Good. Muhammad Yahya. Present. Oh, okay. Muhammad Multazam Hanafi. Nur Ali Abdullah. Where is Nur? Where's your name? Oh, no. Kushai Hamzah. Sambodo. Revano Zulian Putra. Nur Muhammad Yusuf Hardian. Samir Zaidan. Zainul Mutakin. And the last Abimanyu. Any student who didn't take call? Russia. Russia new student. Russia. Thank you. Alright. So, are you okay today?
Yes.
Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yeah, alright. Now, before we start to study, I ask some question for you. Okay? Now, what time did you get up today? What time did you get up today? What time? Hamza, Bilal. 5:05. It means 5:30. Did you pray subuh? Yes, but it's too late, right? Yeah. And you? What time do you get up? 5:30. Oh, same like Hamza. And what do you do after you get up? Pray subuh or duha? Subuh. And what do you do after praying subuh? Have breakfast. What did you eat for breakfast today? Bread. Alright. Good. Bilal, what about you? What time do you get up today? 5, 6. Alright, thank you. Alright, now I have some videos there. You can see there in television. All right. Now move your body. Turn around your body. Look at. Turn around your body. So I want you to focus to the television. Yeah, on television. Okay. I will take and I will show you some video. All right. Are you ready? All right. Now. Okay. Now please look at the video first and memorize. Yes.
Welcome to Kids Pages. Improve your vocabulary with daily routines. Wake up. Wake up. Wash your face. Wash your face.
Chicken bird.
Take a shower. Take a shower. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Get dressed. Get dressed. Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Do your hair. Do your hair. Make your bed. Make your bed. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. Dry clean. Dry clean. Work. Work. Study. Study. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Have lunch. Have lunch. Leave school. Leave school. Get home. Get home. Take a nap. Take a nap.
And then sleep in the
Have a
afternoon.
snack. Have a snack. Do homework. Do homework. Play computer games. Play computer games.
Like yes. It's your hobby,
Read
right?
a book. Read a book.
Read a book.
Play with peers.
Maybe it's your friend.
Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Go shopping. Go shopping. Listen to music. Listen to music. Exercise. Exercise. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Vacuum. Vacuum. Take out the trash. Take out the trash.
Take all the trash.
Water the lawn.
Water the lawn.
Water the lawn.
Lawn apa?
Go for a walk. Go for a walk.
Gantinya mana? Wajib.
Watch TV.
Nah, sekarang buat
Watch
apa?
TV.
Ini banyak.
Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes.
Besar itu.
Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. Do the dusting. Do the dusting. Make dinner.
Baru makan.
Make dinner.
Ya, foto-foto gitu lagi.
Have dinner. Have dinner. Take a bath. Take a bath. Dry your hair. Dry your hair. Go to bed. Go to bed. Thanks for watching. For more teaching resources and printable materials, visit www.kidspages.com.
Alright, thank you. Right, so what is the movie talking about?
Daily routine.
Daily routines, yeah. So daily routine or daily activities. Alright, now Mr. ask some question based on this video. How do you say? Raise your hand, yeah. How do you say bangun tidur in English?
Wake up.
What?
Wake up.
Wake up. Alright, good. Is it right? Wake up? Yeah. So in English, bangun tidur in English, wake up. How do you say sarapan? Have a breakfast. How do you say berangkat sekolah? Go to school. How do you say mandi? Mandi, ayo, mandi. Take a bath. How do you say makan siang? Makan siang? Together? Have lunch. Okay. How do you say menyiram bunga? Ayo. Do you know menyiram bunga in English? Watering the lawn. Yeah. Watering the lawn. How do you say buang sampah in English? Buang sampah in English? Muntazam. Yeah. How do you say buang sampah in English? Ayo. Out. Take out the trash. Yeah. Take out the trash. Okay. Take out the trash. Alright. Now look at the television again. I will show you some material here. Okay. This is enough. Now look at this one. Alright. Okay. So we are talking about daily activities. Okay, now we are talking about daily activities or daily routine. Alright, next. Now, we have 3 parts of the days. We have 3 parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. So in a day, in one day, we have 3 parts of a day. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. And this is the activities. These are the activities in part of the day. In the morning, we have breakfast, get up, yeah, take shower, and so on. Alright? Now I want you to repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me. Have a breakfast.
Have a breakfast.
Get up.
Get Get up.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Go to school.
Go to school.
Get dressed.
Get
What is get
dressed.
dressed? Remember, memakai baju in English, get dressed. So after we take a bath, okay, we get dressed. Right, now activities in the afternoon. Have lunch.
Have lunch.
Come on, repeat. Have lunch.
Have lunch.
Get home.
Get home.
Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Play handphone.
Play handphone.
Have a snack.
Have a snack.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
Alright. Next, activities in the evening. Activities in the evening. Have dinner.
Have dinner.
Have dinner.
Have dinner.
Do homework.
Do homework.
Study.
Study.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Alright. Now, start ask you again, yeah. Remind you. Remember, yeah, the activities. Right. How do you say makan siang? Have lunch. Good. How do you say makan malam? Have dinner. Yeah. How do you say mengerjakan PR? Do homework. How do you say tidur? Go to sleep. How do you say sarapan pagi? Sarapan. Sarapan pagi, makan pagi. Have breakfast. You, how do you say get home? Get home. How do you say get home? How do you say get home? Get home after you from school. Pulang? Pulang sekolah. Yeah, get home in English. Pulang sekolah. Okay, next. You, how do you say memakai baju?
Get dressed.
Get dressed. You, how do you say gosok gigi? Brush teeth. Okay, Ucu, how do you say makan malam? Have dinner. Good. Zaidul, how do you say membuat makan malam? Membuat atau memasak makan malam? Make dinner. You, how do you say tidur? Go to sleep. And you, how do you say makan siang? Have lunch. Alright, yeah. Now, repeat again. Have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I get up.
I get up.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I have lunch.
I have lunch.
I get home.
I get home.
I have dinner.
I have dinner.
Okay, Mister will change the activities you repeat. Example, I have breakfast. Mister change. Study. I study. Make a dinner. I make dinner. Okay, get the point? So you repeat and then you change what I have given you. Alright? Now, I have breakfast. Come on, repeat. Repeat after me. I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
Go to school.
I go to school.
Good. Take a shower.
I take a shower.
Get dressed.
I get dressed.
Take a nap.
I take a nap.
Get home.
I get home.
Study.
I study.
You have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
You have breakfast.
You have breakfast.
Get up. You get up. Go to school.
You go to school.
Take a bath.
You take a bath.
And have dinner.
You have dinner.
Alright. Good. Now look at it again. Alright. Okay. Next. Okay. Now look at the question. Now look at the TV. This is the question based on the daily activities. Alright. Now let's read together after me. Yeah. What time do you get up? time do you get up? Yeah. Listen, just listen first. What time do you get up? Okay. Now repeat after me. What time do you get up?
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 Now look at the underline. Look at the underline words. I change. Go to school. So what time do you go to school? Okay. Get the point? Have breakfast. What time do you have breakfast? Yeah. Get the point? All right. Now repeat again. What time do you get up?
What time do you get up?
Go to school.
What time?
What time do you
Go to school.
have breakfast?
What time do you have breakfast?
Have lunch.
What time do you have lunch?
Brush teeth.
What time do you brush teeth?
Take a shower.
What time do you take shower?
Go home.
What time do you go home?
Go to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
Okay, now you answer with time based on your activity. Alright? Now ask Mister what time I get up. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Come on.
What time do you get up?
Mister, I get up at 4:30. Okay? Ask Mister what time I go to school.
What time do you go to school?
Mister, I go to school at 6 o'clock a.m. Okay? Ask Mister again what time I have breakfast.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30 at school. Ask Mister what time I go home.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 8 o'clock p.m. Yeah, because I have class until evening. Yeah, after school I move to my English course. Yeah, my English course, and I teach there until evening. Until evening. Okay. Now ask Hamza. Ask Hamza what time he get up. Come on.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 5:30.
Speak louder. 1, 2, 3, go. What time do you get up?
I get up at 5:30.
Yeah. Ask him. What time he goes to school?
What time do you go to school?
Okay.
I go to school at 6:30.
Alright, now ask Mubarak. Ask him what time he has breakfast.
What
time do you have breakfast?
Yeah. Alright, good. Ask Arman what time he goes to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
Okay, it's too early. Alright, now ask your partner. Ask your partner. Yeah, ask your partner. With your partner, yeah, in pairs. Okay, ask with your partner. Boy, come here. Wait, Arman. Alright, now ask your partner to ask about what time do you blah blah blah. Alright, yo, three questions, and then take turn. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
What time do you get up?
Speak louder. Okay, come on. Speak English. Speak English. What time do you blah blah blah?
To get up.
Take turn, gantian. Gantian aja. Take turn. Take turn, gantian. Gantian aja jawab.
I go to school at 6.
I get up at 5:30. I get up. 5.
Okay, finish. Alright, finish. Alright, now look at Mister. Okay, everybody stand up. Stand up, stand up. Everybody stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Okay. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Alright, yeah. Now, Mister has magic marker. Okay, Mister has magic marker. What is magic marker?
I don't know.
Okay, magic marker. Now look at this. Okay, magic marker. We are going to play games, right? Someone who get the last game and the last marker, he or she, only the boys, yeah. He get loser. Yeah, what is loser? Kalah. And then you will get punishment. Alright? Alright. Now, before I give you marker, you open, close, and then give your friend. Open, close, and give your friend. Alright? Yeah. Example, start from here, and then you open, close, give your friend. And then like this until you, and then move to this. Alright? If I say stop, Mister will count. 1, 2, stop. If I say stop, someone who will get the last marker, he will be loser. Okay? Yo, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. It's okay. Everybody, ask him what time he goes to school. Come on, 1, 2, 3, go.
What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7:15.
All right, good. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. Ask him, everybody. Ask him what time he has breakfast.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast. All right, good. Now, just 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Game baru. Okay. Ask him what time he goes to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
All right. Now sit down. Everybody sit down. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, boys. Hello, boys. Now, asking about time, you can ask like this. What time do you get up? Oh, I get up at. You give your activities here. Oh, I get up at 4 o'clock. Oh, I get up at 5:30. Oh, I get up at 7 o'clock. It's up to you, right? It's based on your activities, yeah. All right. Now, look at the second question. Now, this is activities after or before. All right. Now, look at this one. What do you do after you get up? What is after? How do you say after? Setelah. Sesudah. Ya, so what do you do after you get up? Jadi, apa yang kamu lakukan setelah bangun tidur? What do you do after you go to school? Apa yang kamu lakukan
Di sekolah.
setelah sekolah? Alright. Next. Nah, look at what do you do after you get up? Nah, so the answer, oh. Okay. Right. Next. After I get up. Now, example the question. What do you do after you get up? After I get up, I take shower. Okay. After I get up, I take shower. That's your activities. It's up to you, Mister. What do you do after you get up? I take my handphone. Ya kan? Biasanya gitu ya. Iya, habis bangun tidur, ambil handphone. Check handphone, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah, now repeat again. What do you do after you get up? Repeat. What do you do after you get up?
What do you do after you get up?
Okay, what do you do after you go to school?
What do you do after you go to school?
What do you do after you take a shower?
What do you do after you take a shower?
What do you do after you have breakfast?
What do you do after you have breakfast?
Ya, this is your activities. Jadi kegiatan kalian setelah apa? Setelah apa? Ngapain? Alright. Now, before. What is before? Sebelum. Ya. So, what do you do before you go to school? Apa yang kamu lakukan sebelum berangkat sekolah? Example. Before I go to school, I have breakfast at home. It's up to you. Your activities, right? What do you do before you have breakfast? Oh, before I have breakfast, I take shower. That's your activities, alright? Kegiatan kalian yang kalian tahu, yaitu sendiri kegiatan kalian. Example, habis bangun tidur, saya biasanya ngapain? Mobil, atau ngapain? Main handphone, ya, okay. Or push rank, alright. Or push up, do exercise. Yeah, it's up to you. Alright? Yeah. Alright. Now, repeat after me. What do you do before I go to school?
What do you do after you go to school?
What do you do before you go to school?
What do you do before you go to school?
What do you do before you get up?
What do you do before you get up?
What do you do before you have lunch?
What do you do before you have lunch?
What do you do before I go to bed?
What do you do before I go to bed?
Okay, now ask Mister what I do after blah blah blah. Okay, ask Mister my activities after I get up. 1, 2, 3, go.
What do you do after you get up?
After I get up, I take a shower. Ask Mister what I do after I take shower.
What do you do after you take a shower?
After I take shower, I get dressed. Ask Mister what I do after I get dressed.
What do you do after you get dressed?
After I get dressed, I go to masjid for praying subuh. Ask Mister after I go to masjid.
What do you do after you go to masjid?
After I go to masjid, I prepare for school. Ask Mister after I prepare my school.
What do you do after you prepare your school?
After I prepare, I go to school. Ask Mister what I do after arrive at school.
What do you do after I arrive at school?
After I arrive at school, I have breakfast. What is arrive? Sampai sekolah. What do you do after you arrive at school? Play, futsal, or study, or go to masjid, or duduk. Okay. What else? Play with your friends.
Yang lainnya
Main selepetan. Ya. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Next. Alright. Nah, there are 2 questions ya. What time and what do you do? Alright. Next. Nah, this is your activities. Okay, so after this, I want you boys to tell about your daily activities. Start from get up until go to bed. Alright? Nah, example. This is example way. I get up at 4:30 a.m. After I get up, this is my activities ya, mister ya. I take a bath. And then I have breakfast. After that, I go to school. After I go to school, I have breakfast. And so on, etc. Alright? Now, that's my activities. What about you? Okay, so I want you to write about your activities. So, Mister will give you some paper here. Okay, I want you to complete your activities. Yeah, I want you to complete your activities here. Okay. Okay, wait. How many students here? 12? Can you help me? Use your friend. Use your friend. Come on.
My mom going to
Okay. Ya, like this ya, yang ini ya. Nah, beda. Nah, ya, like this. Beda. Ada dua. There are two papers, ada dua ya. Ada dua lembar lembar latihan. Oke. Hah? Yang lebih, ada yang lebih. Oke. Ada yang belum dapat? Anybody? Yang like this. Lembar kerja peserta pertama. Udah? Okay, yeah. So, I want you to write about your activities, right? Example, look at the direction. 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 Write your name. Write your class and there. Okay? And then look at the direction. The student write their daily activities start from getting up until go to bed on weekdays or weekend. What is weekdays? What is weekdays? Apa itu weekdays? Iya, weekdays to start from Monday until Friday. Ya, hari biasa, hari kerja, hours day. Kalau weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Alright, now you may choose weekdays or weekend. You may choose weekdays or weekend. Silakan. Alright, I give you 5 minutes. Silakan dikerjakan. Silakan dikerjakan. Okay, so based on your activities, yeah, look at the example here, guys. Look at the example here. Example like that. Okay, look at the example here. This is the first. I get up at blah blah blah. After I get up, I blah blah blah. After I blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay. Where is my marker? Where is my marker? Alright. Okay, you may give addition. Vocabulary. Okay, nah, you may give addition. Then, what is then? Kemudian, ya. Boleh ditambahin. Kemudian, or after that. What is after that? Ya, setelah itu. Or next. What is next? Ya, setelahnya atau berikutnya. Okay, yeah, you may give addition. After that, I blah blah blah, and then I blah blah blah. Okay, after that, I want you to tell about your activities in front of the classroom. Yeah, come to the front. Yeah, come to the front. Maju ke kelas. Yeah, and bring your paper. Bring your paper. Silakan.